Everyone, so now we are going to do one lab. This is a mini project, we can say. Till now whatever we learn, we are going to apply that knowledge here. Okay, imagine you are working in the organization, your manager give you some task. So let me write here. Maybe I will take the notepad, I will write in the notepad, so it will be easy for you also. I will give this is a heading mini project. Okay, this is a mini project. We can say STP project. Okay, STP project 1. We will see, we will do maybe more, so I will give number as a 1. Later we will see. So what task we need to do? Let me design some scenario, so we will follow that scenario. I will take one switch here. Let me make little big this one. Here I will take one switch, and then we will take one more switch, and we will take one more switch. Let me take one more switch, and I will take one more switch. Okay, let me take 3 switches. This is just to show you and test your knowledge, whatever you understand till now. Okay, I will take some PC. One PC will be here. Imagine this PC here, this PC is here, and we can connect. I will take example, we can connect 0 by 0 of, or if you want to connect if you see here we have one high speed, so giga. If you want, we can connect the giga also here, connect G to G. So giga, because imagine this is a layer 3 switch, but I taken only layer 2 here, but no problem. The between the switch we are using the high capacity link here. Okay, your wish, you can use fast Ethernet also, no issue. I will connect here this one, and then I will connect from here to here, and I will connect from here to here, from here to here. Just I am creating a small organization structure, small practical lab, small company where you are working, imagine. And then above you will have one router here, but we will not do that one. That one later we will see. I will keep, if you want I will keep this one, later we can see, or we can look that one, but now we are not using. We will have one link here, one link here, then it will connect to ISP1, ISP2. Okay, but anyhow now we focus in this one. So this one I will give this switch name as a switch 1. Switch 1, let me write here, switch 1, and then this is a switch 2. Okay, and this is a switch 3. Switch 3. Imagine this switch 3 and switch 4 is a access layer switch. It is connected to end devices. It is connected to end devices. Switch 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 switches, and it is connected this way. We have the PCs. So what we are going to do here, mini project. So what I will do, configure the following task we will write, and we will write the task. Configure the following task. Okay, let me give a task. First thing we need to configure RSTP. Okay, on all switch. This one I think you can easily do. Anyhow I will show also, no issue. And then we can say like we can say enable port fast, enable port fast in access switch. Okay, access switch I am using. We need to enable the port fast wherever we have the end devices, or we can enable universal way also, we will see that one. And I will say also enable, here I will write this one we did not check, we will check now. BPDU guard, as before we are discussing, this is a guard, we are going to see how we can enable. And then I will say configure trunk port. We can say configure trunk port between the switch. So I will write configure trunk port between switch. Wherever you see the switch and you have connected between 2 switches, you need to enable the trunk between switch link, whatever you want to say. This is the task, so we can say that one. And now the main thing, we will say configure switch 1 as a root. Okay, root bridge. switch one will be root bridge, and then I will say configure switch to be root bridge if switch 1 is not available. In your own words you can define the different wordings. I am saying that not there or not available, or in the absence of the switch 1, switch 2 should become as a root bridge. Means what I am saying, this guy should be as a king switch, this one. If he is switch off or it is broken, this guy should become as a king switch. This guy should not become, this one. These switches should not become as a king switch, because imagine in the real scenario, we will in the organization we will have high configuration switches in this. Okay, this is a distribution layer. Here we have the high configuration switches. This is a access layer. This is compared to this one, this is a little low configuration. Here end devices is connected. So we don't want to make this one as a king switch, because all switch is going to pass through king switch. So what I am saying, this guy should be king switch, or this guy. First this guy will be king. If he go wrong, if anything go wrong, maybe this switch is restarting or reboot or maybe faulty, then this guy will become as a king switch, not these guys. Okay, so if switch 2, what we are saying, configure the switch 1 as a root bridge, configure switch 2 be root bridge if switch 1 is not available. Okay, so let me move. And then what else we can write here? Till now what we learn, we can say configure the root guard. Okay, because if I want this guy should not become the king switch, these guys should not become as a king switch, so we need to configure root guard. We will stand the guards here, saying that if you are receiving any BPDU BPDU with the superior MAC address or priority, discard. We are saying the root guard. We will enable the guards here, saying that in this link, if you receive any frame saying that I am a king switch, my MAC address is low, don't listen to him, don't allow that frame go to this switch, just discard that guy. We are saying, okay, in this two interface and this two interface, so this guy will not become as a king switch. So what we will write here, we will write in the question here, I will write here like this. So let me write here in the configure, we can say anything, configure root guard. So access level switch will not become king switch or root bridge. Whatever you want, you can write root bridge, or let me put enter and we will put this one. So root not become root switch or king switch or anything that is a king switch or root bridge. Okay, this is a scenario. Imagine you are working in an organization, your manager told you to do this setup. What he told you, first thing he told you, configure the RSTP on all the switches. Okay, configure the RSTP in all the switches. So this is very easy. What we will do, we will go to the particular all the switches and we will write the configuration. Simple configuration. If you want, I will do here only, so we will have the record also.